Making the decision to go to Macau wasn't easy. Not because of the destination, but because this time I had to do it alone. Life puts you in situations you don't expect, but sometimes the only way forward is to move. My travel plan was actually late already. The ferry ride usually takes 55 minutes to 1 hour. But since I arrived early at Shuntak Center in Shung 1, I got lucky they allowed me to take a ferry 30 minutes earlier than my scheduled trip. Tip: if you're doing a day tour, book the earliest possible trip, sobrang sulit.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Hello, Dad. This is my first time.
Credit.
Charot! Ito lang po kasi ako. Diretso lang po kayo. Tapos
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Diyan. Diyan. Ito maganda sa gabi. Hindi na ako abot ng gabi. Sayang.
Pero minsan kasama sa isip.
Oo. Sayang, no? Dapat pala ano eh. Dapat pala Macau is actually divided into two main areas, and understanding the difference will save you time and help you plan a smoother DIY trip. Macau Peninsula consists of Senado Square, ruins of St. Paul's, Montefort, St. Dominic's Church, Ma Temple, and Old Taipa Village. These areas are best for culture, food trips, and sightseeing. While Kotay Strip consists of the Venetian, Parisian Eiffel Tower, Studio City, City of Dreams, and Wynn Palace Skycap. These areas are best for hotel hopping, shopping, and iconic photo spots.
Parang doon. Yun, no, pag ganun tayo, no? Saan kayo bibili ng ano, Tay? Ah, doon? Oo, pag ganun ako, no? Sige, parang check ako ng ano. For picture taking. Dito, yan lang ano lang. Yung St. Paul, ano,
from St. Paul. Maglalakad lang tayo hanggang sa sakayan pabalik na ng harbor. So may mga nakilala akong friends mga Pinoy din. Pinabonas, Loida, Sasi Aero. They are so nice. Parang pinipaksa ng maganda. Ay, hindi ko lang sure kung maganda yun. Pero I think nagustuhan nila. Then, nilibre nila ako ng food. Mabait. Thank you guys. Yeah, so this is the grandest boa. And tapos dito tayo sasakay. Pero pakita mo na yung grandest boa. Very fancy. Wait. Wala na tingin. Excuse me, is this for Macau Harbor?
Macau Ferry.
Okay pa. Sige. Yeah, Macau Ferry. Ito po yung pula. Thank you. Salamat po. Yun, sasakay na tayo ng Macau. Ng shuttle. And it's for free, I think. Free to yan, no?
Dito ka Hong Kong.
Opo. Thank you, kuya. Oo nga pala, don't get confused between Grand Lisboa and Grand Lisboa Palace. Check the details on the screen so you'll be properly guided. Going to Macau alone wasn't easy, but sometimes you have to do things even when you're scared, even when you're on your own, because that's how you grow. You meet new friends, you learn from places, from moments, and from people you never expected to cross paths with. And somehow, you come home a little braver than when you left. So, alam nyo na ha, till next gala. Bye!